Hey guys, I am very excited to review for you today this under desk elliptical from ANCHEER. So as you can see, it comes in this massive box right here with our lovely ANCHEER branding. So I'm going to go ahead now and unbox it the rest of the way and show you just how easy it is to install. So let's get started. To begin, at the top here we've got our user manual as well as our cable. And then finally this lovely little remote, and then after popping off this chunk of styrofoam, there is our wonderful elliptical. Alright guys, I've got it all pulled out. This, by the way, is the gray color, if you couldn't tell, and it's so pretty. And now it's time to just set it up, which essentially doesn't involve any steps because it is pre-assembled as soon as you get it. You don't have to worry about putting together any pieces. All you have to do is grab it right here by the handle. Just plug the cable right here at the end, and then plug this into an outlet while also setting this down where I want to use it. Alright you guys, the elliptical is now all ready to go. I've got it all set up. It was so fast and so simple to do. Alright, now it's time to get our under desk elliptical working. So first off, we have got our really lovely digital display right here. I love the built-in display monitor that makes it super easy to control and also track everything that's going on. You can do all the same things as well right from the remote. Just make sure that you've got two AAA batteries. It's super easy to press these buttons and switch through everything. You control it without having to bend down and do that right on the machine if you would prefer not to. Now to get it started, just press the start button and immediately that will turn it on. And I really like how this is a 2-in-1 machine. You have got a manual mode. This is the manual mode. It says HA on the display. But you've also got 3 auto modes. By pressing the mode button, we can cycle through those. We'll see P1, P2, and P3. And just keep in mind with the auto modes that you won't be able to switch the speed or the direction of the pedals. And the 3 auto modes have a lot of differentiation. You'll see that right here in this lovely table talking about what all of the different auto modes do. I'm gonna go with manual mode because that's pretty easy, so I can then change the direction. So pressing direction just changed it from forward to backward, or I could press one more time and I'll bring it back to forward. I personally like forward the best. And then speed, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I'm going to keep it at 1 for now. Also shows in our user manual what all of these different speeds mean. I love the multiple movement functions and I'm super excited to get started. But finally, I want to show you data because this thing has a lot of different data that it's tracking. I like keeping it at scan, so it's just going to scan through all the different options, but you can also change it to time, distance, speed, counter, and calorie, depending on what you want to keep the most tabs on. But I'm gonna leave it at scan, and now that my system is all set up for my personal preferences, I can just press start to get it going. I love these large anti-slip pedals that are thankfully big enough to hold my super big cloud slippers. Also, it is so smooth and quiet. This device makes it very easy to pedal comfortably wherever I may be. Just make sure that you're always sitting when using it. And look at that, I've already burned 2.5 calories. And then once you're done, just press and hold on the start stop button. And then if you want to take it somewhere, just unplug it, grab your handle and move it wherever you'd like to. I love how portable this device is. It's certainly a very robust machine, and even though it is a little bit heavy, it's very easy to carry thanks to this nice handle here. I absolutely love this under desk elliptical. So easy to use, lots of different modes, a very nice display monitor, very convenient remote, as well as a smooth, quiet design with very big, grippy pedals. Make sure to check out this under desk elliptical from ANCHEER. Hope you love it just as much as I do.